Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about AWS Budgets, a very powerful and useful tool in your console. So here we go, AWS Budgets. This is what it looks like on the right over here. You'll explore this more in the practical tutorial, but here's the theory behind it. First of all, it enables users to set custom cost and usage budgets that alert when thresholds are breached. There are 4 kinds of budgets that you can set: a cost budget, a usage budget, a savings plans budget, and a reservation budget. So remember those 4 types that can be important for the exam. Alerts can be created, can be set to trigger when metric exceeds budget, as well as when the projected value exceeds the budget. So this is an important consideration, that you not only can be alerted when the current as-is metric is exceeding the budget, but also when it's predicted that the metric will exceed the budget in the future. So it's another powerful tool to anticipate what will be happening. Budgets can be created at different granularity levels for the entire AWS account or for specific service tags. And we talk about tags in a separate tutorial in this course. It integrates with AWS Cost Explorer for in-depth analysis. And the price, in terms of pricing, the first 2 budgets are free. After that, it's 10 cents per budget per day. Well, actually 10 cents per action-enabled budget per day, but in most cases you will have an action associated with your budget. Now, an important final consideration for the exam is to keep in mind the difference between AWS budgets and billing alarms. You might think that, you might remember that we set up billing alarms in the past and that they sound very similar to budgets. Indeed they are, but keep in mind, here's the difference. AWS budgets this tool provides a more sophisticated control for cost management. For example, what we discussed just now, that you can alert when a projected cost will exceed the budget rather than right now. So it's a more sophisticated tool. They both can give you alerts, but budgets is a more sophisticated tool. Whereas billing alarms are part of Amazon CloudWatch, and they're designed to provide operational insights. And the billing alarms there are just a small part of the overall functionality of CloudWatch, and they're not as sophisticated. So there you go. That's AWS Budgets. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.